Is it on? Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, this is GamesPlusSum, and welcome back to another video. Today I've got the celebratory, I'm going to take a shot of this hot sauce video for you for the 50th sub. A lot of you wanted me to drink like the hottest sauce in the whole wide world, and I'm not going to do that because I value my intestines and my inner digestive tract. I need it. I put it through some pain a lot of times. So we're going to take this here bottle of Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Wing Sauce and this here 2-ounce Oilers glass. Finest losing team in the NHL. And we're going to fill that bad boy up. Yeah, that's this glass has seen some use. I'm gonna drink that. Yeah. Anyways, cheers. Yeah. Thanks for the 50 subs, guys. You're really awesome. Here's to another 50. Bye for now.